From the sea to the grassland, the warmth of my own people whom which I stand. Brother to my brother, sister to my sister, a mother calls and I try to visit her. She was assaulted by the US, so I do my best to protect her. Happiness is when I see your smile, style profile, cause I miss ya. Do anything just to see ya. 16 hours ain't nothing to 100 years of pain. It's time to claim our land back. Take our land back, take our land back, make the motherland proud. Take our land back, take our land back, make the motherland proud. Take our land back, take our land back, make the motherland proud. Take our land back, take our land back, make the motherland proud. Take our land back, take our land back, make the motherland proud. Take our land back, take our land back, make the motherland proud. Make the motherland proud. The mock war of 1898 never happened. Will Bach's now men be here rapping with me? I don't think so. United States to this day is raping us Filipinos, Americans with falsified dreams. Only force my people to go work overseas. President McKinley rest in pieces with treaties signed, designed to delete us, mislead us into coming to this day. $20 million brought to the brown race from the brain drain now to the game brain. Now fast skills in computer mainframes, plus work for low salaries with no complaints. When I bitch, I call the song of violence for all the houses up to the mainland. Poisonous squatters from U.S. baseland, swan strategy. A full frontal attack, we got our own juice with it. That wouldn't turn back. Attack, or investigate Jack when the dust clears. We'll grab a land back. You corrupt officials getting treated the same. It's time for economy to circulate. You communal assault, life been now away, and we won't stop till our people are free.